Hey everyone, welcome to the TenorShare PDNob channel. Do you need to create a fillable PDF form? Whether you're making a job application, registration form, survey, contract, or client intake form, fillable PDFs make it much easier for people to complete and return documents digitally. The good news is that you don't need expensive Adobe Acrobat to create one. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to create a fillable PDF form. Let's get started. First, Method 1. Create a fillable PDF form using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word allows you to build a form and then export it as a PDF. This is a good option for simple forms. Here's how it works. Open Microsoft Word and create a new document. If the Developer tab isn't already visible, you'll need to enable it. In the Developer tab, you'll find form controls you can insert, such as text boxes, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and date pickers. Arrange the fields on your page and format the document as you like. Once your form is designed, go to File, then Save As, and choose PDF as the output format. The pros of this method are that many users already have Microsoft Word. It's easy for creating simple forms, and you get a familiar interface. However, the cons are significant for professional use. PDF fields may not remain fully interactive after export. There are limited PDF-specific form tools, it's difficult to edit or update form fields later, and it's not ideal for complex forms. If you need professional fillable PDF fields that work reliably, you'll usually need a dedicated PDF editor. Method 2. Create a fillable PDF form using TenorShare PDNob. If you want to create a true fillable PDF with interactive fields that users can actually type into, TenorShare PDNob PDF Editor is a much better option. It allows you to add form fields directly to the PDF and customize them easily. Here's the process. First, download and install TenorShare PDNob PDF Editor on your computer. Open an existing PDF or create a new blank PDF document. Go to the Form section. Now you can add the fields you need, including text fields for names and answers, checkboxes for multiple selections, radio buttons for single-choice questions, drop-down menus for selecting from a list, and signature fields for contracts and agreements. After adding each field, you can adjust field properties, size, and placement. For example, making a field required or setting a default value. Once your form is complete, save the fillable PDF. Always test the form to make sure all fields work correctly before sharing it. The advantages of PDNob are substantial. It creates true interactive PDF forms that work reliably. It supports multiple field types for any kind of form. It's easy to edit and update forms later if you need to make changes. It's better for business, HR, education, and client workflows. And it includes PDF editing, OCR, annotation, and conversion tools all in one package. The only con is that it requires installation, and some advanced features may require the full version. Let's compare the 2 methods. Microsoft Word is useful for creating basic form layouts and exporting them to PDF. However, if you need professional fillable fields that users can interact with directly inside the PDF, TenorShare PDNob offers much more functionality. Before publishing your form, keep these tips in mind. Keep the layout simple. Avoid cluttered designs. Clear labels help users complete forms faster. Test every field before sharing. Include signature fields if needed. For contracts or agreements, adding a signature field creates a smoother workflow. And consider future editing. If you expect to update the form regularly, using a dedicated PDF editor like PDNob makes modifications much easier. If this guide helped you create your first fillable form, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.